Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. Students, in previous video I have told you about the first grammatical topic, that is noun. Today we will start our next grammatical topic, that are pronouns. Let us start this topic. What are the pronouns? Pronouns are words that replaces nouns, means these are the words that are used in place of noun. Instead of using noun again and again in the sentence, we use some of the words which are used in place of noun. For example, if I say Ahmad is a boy, he is next door to us, he says prayer daily. So I am using the word he instead of using Ahmad and Ahmad again and again, because this kind of repeating the words give us an awkward sense. So these are the pronouns which replaces noun. I, me, she, we, they, that, your, his, these all are called pronouns. Now students, we will start our first kind, that is personal pronoun. In this class we will read three kinds: personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. The first kind is personal pronoun. In the grammatical sense, a personal pronoun is a pronoun that is related mainly to a particular person. Personal pronouns are not limited to people, they can also refer to animals or objects. स्टूडेंट्स, पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस वो प्रोनाउंस होते हैं जो कि पर्सन या किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए यूज़ होते हैं. हियर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउन यूजिंग इन अ सेंटेंस एज सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. यू हैव ऑलरेडी नोन अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट? द डूअर ऑफ एन एक्शन. ठीक है. सो सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन में आई, यू, वी, ही, शी, इट और दे. एंड ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस में मी, यू, अस, हिम, हर, इट, देम. दीज विल बी यूज्ड. Take other examples of personal pronoun. Now students, here is a chart. You should know and learn about it before solving the exercise of personal pronoun. In pronouns, there are three persons in personal pronoun. That is first person, the person who is speaking. In singular it is I and in plural it is we. Second person, spoken to, means जिससे बात की जाए. In singular it is you and in plural of course it is you. In third person, spoken about, the person जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. Spoken about, who is not present or may be present sometimes, but जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है, that is our third person. He, she, it, or in plural it is they. Students, here is a chart that shows the subject pronoun and the object pronoun. You should know what is the subject pronoun. The doer of an action is called subject and the receiver of an action is called object. In singular pronoun, it is I, you, he, she, it. It is used as a subject pronoun in the sentence. And if it is in the sentence as object, its state will be like this. I की me हो जाएगी me, you की यू हो जाएगी, ही की हिम, शी की हर, इट की इट. ठीक है. एंड इन प्लूरल प्रोनाउंस इट इज़ वी, यू, दे. और अगर ये सेंटेंस में यूज़ हो रहा हो एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट, तो इट विल बी चेंज इनटू अस. वी जो है वो अस में हो जाएगा, यू को यू में रहने देंगे, एंड दे जो है वो देम में चेंज हो जाएगा. सो यू शुड लर्न दिस before solving your exercise. Here is the exercise, students. This is in your summer pack work. I hope you will be able to solve it easily now. Pick out personal pronouns in these sentences. Number 1, will you wear a blue coat? The first sentence is done for you. Here personal pronoun is you. Next, you will do it. I am Nas. The man gave me a football. Please help me. They showed us a picture. So this is all about your personal pronouns. Students, our next kind is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns such as who, whose, which, and what are used to ask questions. These are the pronouns which are used to ask question in the sentence. For example, who are the singers of the Declaration of Independence? Means कि singers कौन है? So here who is the word question interrogative pronoun which is used for singers. Who will design the new logo? तो यहाँ पर जो who है that is used for another noun कि कौन ये लोगों का डिज़ाइन लोगों को डिज़ाइन करेगा. ठीक है, तो these are the interrogative pronouns which are used for asking question about the nouns which they stand for. Who, whose, which, whom, what, these are all interrogative pronouns. Now students, now it's your turn to solve the exercise of the interrogative pronoun. Circle the correct interrogative pronoun. You have to encircle the correct option given in the exercise. Number 1, dash is that woman, she is my aunt. Options में आपको given है number A में who, B में which, C में whose and D में what. You have to fill the correct option. You have to encircle the correct option. First one has been done for you. Who is that woman? Now students, you will be able to solve the exercise easily. Solve it yourself and enjoy. Yes students, our next kind is demonstrative pronoun. What is the demonstrative? Demonstrative mean expressive or indicative, यानी जाहिर करने वाला. Demonstrative pronouns are used to show or identify one or a number of nouns that may be far or near in distance or time. ठीक है, हम जब इशारा करके बताते हैं कि ये या वो चीज़ तो हम इसे डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर रहे होते हैं. सो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव आर 4 in numbers, this, that, these and those. This and that are our singular pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and these and those are our plural demonstrative pronouns. So students, remember that when there is plural in the sentence, you have to add these or those में से कोई एक लगाना है. And when there is singular noun, तो उसके लिए आपने this या that में से कुछ लगाना है. For example, that is a beautiful house. So that is demonstrative pronoun that is referring to the specific noun house. ठीक है, तो house जो है यहाँ पर singular pronoun है, तो यहाँ पर इसके लिए that या this का word आप use कर सकते हैं. These or those will be used for plural nouns. Yes students, this is the exercise of demonstrative pronouns. This is very simple and easy. You will be able to solve it easily now. The first sentence is done for you. Complete these sentences using this, these, that, those. Number 1 is that is a blackboard. Here blackboard is singular, so you will use that and this. Okay. In number 2, dash students are hardworking. Students, remember that here the students word is plural, so you will use these or those. ठीक है, these या those में से कोई एक word use करें, and rest of the sentences will be done by you. Okay, now students, I hope you have learned about this topic pronoun very well, and now you will be able to solve the exercise of your summer pack easily. Students, enjoy and learn at your homes. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.